Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to explain about the upper function. Under the formulas tab, we can find text functions library. In that, here we can find upper function. Purpose of the upper function is it converts all the letters of the text into uppercase. Let me write the formula equivalent to upper. I am selecting the functional argument as A3. This is the result. Now I am extracting the formula by using formula text function. In this way, we can use the upper function in Excel. Thanks for watching.